Today, we're diving into a topic that often weighs heavily on our minds: debt collection. Each day, countless individuals receive summons notifications, leaving them feeling concerned and unsure about their options. But what if I told you that there is a smarter way to tackle this situation? Leveraging the capabilities of modern technology, specifically artificial intelligence, can transform the way you defend yourself against debt collectors. When you find yourself facing the pressure of a summons, you might feel as if the odds are stacked against you. However, understanding your rights and the available strategies is key to not only surviving the ordeal, but thriving in it. First, one of the best strategies to employ is to fully understand the nature of the debt being claimed. Is it valid? Is the amount accurate? Armed with knowledge, you can dispute inaccuracies and defend yourself in a positive and effective way. Moreover, keep communications lines open. Validating a debt is your right, and any reputable debt collector will provide the necessary verification upon request. This simply means that before jumping into a defensive stance, ensure you accurately assess what you're dealing with. A meticulous approach can expose discrepancies and potential weaken the debt collector's case. But here's where it gets even more interesting. In today's digital age, using advanced solutions can put you far ahead. Enter summonsmaster.com, a revolutionary platform designed specifically to aid individuals in navigating the complexities of debt collection. Imagine this: instead of being overwhelmed by legal jargon and confusing procedures, you have a streamlined service at your fingertips that provides fully formatted, legally sound responses tailored to your circumstance. It removes the guesswork and instills confidence. SummonsMaster.com understands that a fair defense should be accessible to everyone, regardless of their legal acumen. Their AI-driven technology crafts precise, effective responses that align with legal standards, eliminating the fear of missteps. It's like having a legal coach in your corner, guiding you step by step through the process while you're focusing on what truly matters: getting back on your feet. Many of us tend to avoid confronting debt collectors, fearing the potential ramification. However, technology provides an opportunity to empower individuals. By utilizing platforms like summonsmaster.com, you can turn the tables on debt collectors. Instead of viewing a summons with fear, you can see it as an opening and a chance to reclaim power and assert your rights. Moreover, remember that a well-prepared response can indeed lead to a greater outcome. Debt collectors must adhere to strict regulations, and when they fail to do so, by you holding the cards, by equipping yourself with professionally formatted and legally strong responses, you not only substantiate your stance, but you also laid the groundwork for potential negotiation, settlement, or complete total dismissal of the case in your favor. If you have a summons from a debt collector, please visit summonsmaster.com. Thank you for your time.